So I have already logged in and I'm on my home page, which is this part right here. So I want to show you how to go and look at an assessment and to assign the assessment that you've already put in your tracker. If you go to the trackers, you click on tracker. Once you click on the tracker, all of your trackers will come up. So I've assigned an assessment to my first period. I'm going to go into that tracker and I'm going to look at the assessment. As you can see, here are all of my standards. I can tell that this standard has been assessed one time, and the same with all of these standards here. This is an ILM. You can tell that this is a unit test. Just so that you know, if you want to move this unit test over to the front, you can see this arrow going both ways. You can click on that and hold it down, and then you can move it to the front if you want to move it over to the front of the standards. So I like to put all of my tests here at the front so that I can quickly see my tests. And here is unit, if I hover over it, it's unit 1 pretest, and you can see it here. Now if I want to assess, I want to go ahead and assign this, I click assess, and when I assign it, here is the test. I've actually already assigned this one. If I wanted to, if some of my students needed to do it on the Mastery Connect bubble sheet on the computer, I could click assess, and then this is the code that my students would type in as they went to Mastery Connect /bubble sheet. They would type in that code, and then as they took the test on the Chromebook, it would score here, and you would see this here. If you have the bubble sheets, you can enable your camera here, and when you enable your camera, once you enable the camera, it's going to show, once it comes on, it's going to show right here. You have to allow use your camera, and once you do that, then you would have a bubble sheet that you could scan right here. You would hold it up to the camera and then it would scan it. But we don't have bubble sheets, so I'm not going to do that. So I'm going to disable my camera there. So that's how you view an assessment. I'm going to stop now.